everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the JazzUp Company's Ava Flatware Set, which is in this box right here. For those of you that do not know about JazzUp Company, they create a wide variety of designs as far as diningware or flatware sets that encompass a stainless steel construction that's very durable, dishwasher safe, non-toxic, and very elegant as far as the appearance and functionality. And so we'll do in this video is walk through unboxing the Ava Flatware Set. We'll look at the general construction, what it looks like, and I'll give you my overall first impressions. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the JazzUp Company's Ava Flatware Set. You can currently get this on their website for about $120. This is going to be their gold color, but they've got 4 color options. They've got gold, black, silver, and rose gold. And then as far as the size of this set, this is going to be their 4-person set. But you also purchase this set for 8 people, 12 people, or 16 people. So with the different color options as well as the sizes, you really purchase whatever you need for your dining room purposes. But we'll take a look at the packaging and unbox this now. And so the packaging is very simple. It says JazzUp Company here, and then it's basically a solid box. Really good for gift purposes or really just keeping this for storage. When you open the box here, it's got canvas bags with all the items. And then on the top here, it's hard to see at the angle, but it says crafted by hand, crafted with care, bringing joy to your every meal and every occasion. And then each of the sets for the 4-person set are gonna come in these canvas bags. And this will be very useful for storage purposes and making sure that these don't get damaged whenever you store it or move the box. So we'll just take each of these out now. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's all that comes in the box. But we'll take a look at one of these and kind of look at what it actually looks like. So it's a really nice canvas bag, pretty solid from that standpoint. It says JazzUp Company here and has a drawstring up top where you can basically tighten this to ensure that the different items don't fall out of the actual bag. So that's nice there. And then now we'll take out the actual utensils. So there's going to be 4 separate items, I believe, in here. Or actually 5. So there's going to be 5 separate items. Sorry, the knife's kind of caught in there. So this is what they look like. And so you've got a knife, like a traditional dining fork, a smaller fork, you have a larger spoon, and then you have a smaller spoon as well. So 5 different items in each set. This is what they look like. So basically it's going to be this very, very elegant, sophisticated design, all gold here. And the nice thing about this set is it's all going to be stainless steel construction that's going to be highly durable. Each of these items are going to be dishwasher safe, non-toxic, and they say that it's scratch resistant. So by purchasing this, you're going to kind of basically buy something that you can really invest in and make sure that the quality is maintained over time without having issues. So this is what the knife looks like. It does have a serrated edge. It's not the sharpest edge there, but something that you could easily dine with and cut with and no problems there, but pretty nice from that standpoint. This is what the larger fork looks like. Okay. This is the smaller fork. Okay. This is the spoon, which actually has a very nice kind of like rounded appearance on the spoon there. And I really like the lighting here, the shininess here. It's just an overall nice construction and feel. Like when you feel this in your hand, it's very, very weighted. You can feel like it's a nice quality build. Definitely not feeling cheap. Does feel like luxurious in your hand, like you're buying something that's premium. So I really like that heaviness to this. And then same thing with this is like it's like a very balanced feel here where you can like hold the spoon without issues, but there's a weighted kind of like feel to it. It's just like it's really nice in the hand from that standpoint. But that's kind of the gist of the set, what it looks like. I'm pretty impressed with it. As far as scratch resistance, they did say that test this out on the video, so we're gonna just try to scratch this. And you can see that even with the fork here, it doesn't really scratch at all. There's like slight aspect there, but nothing like too sophisticated, like too complex there. But that's kind of the gist of this. So that's all I really have for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test this out over time. We'll see how it works, but overall, the overall build is extremely sophisticated, from the elegance, the construction, the build, the weightiness in the hand. It feels like a nice product, so I think if you've invested in this and spent the money on it, it'd be well worth it. I like the gold design, the fact that it's got this like shiny finish to it, like a stainless steel construction there, and that it's very hefty in the hand. But I really have no complaints whatsoever after looking at this. It's definitely worthwhile based on my overall first impressions. So that's all I have for this video, but hopefully this was helpful for those of you that are looking into this, looking at the different options. They do have a wide variety of designs. So this is the Ava Flatware Set, but they've got different options as far as like the build and construction and look of it. But really, off the bat, pretty impressive based on the quality and design. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.